Hello everyone. Today I will try to compare in between Heptabase and Scrintal. Which notes app is better in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end. Heptabase excels in structured knowledge management. It offers an advanced PDF reader with superior annotation capabilities, a nested board system that allows boards within boards for deep organization, and seamless integration with popular knowledge management tools. Heptabase is designed for academic researchers and professionals who require meticulous structure and robust document handling. On the other hand, Scrintal provides a more flexible and collaborative environment. With a card-based visual workspace, real-time collaboration features, and ready-to-use templates, Scrintal is ideal for brainstorming, connecting ideas, and working with teams. Its cloud storage and offline capabilities make it convenient for users on the go. In summary, choose Heptabase if you need a powerful tool for structured in-depth research and knowledge management. Or choose Scrintal if you prefer a flexible, visual and collaborative approach to organizing your ideas. Both apps offer powerful experiences, but the best choice depends on your personal workflow and how you like to think and create.